Om Shanti. Today, 30th of September 2021. Today is Thursday when Bhog is offered to Shiv Baba. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. In today's Murli, Shiv Baba is reciting us the story of True Narayan. Baba says, "You all are souls. Soul is not visible. The mind and intellect are in the soul. The intellect is not in the body. Good and bad sanskars are in the soul. No one can see a soul. The soul sees the body, but the body cannot see the soul. Similarly, it is not possible to see the Father of souls, the one to whom people say, 'O God, the Father.' He can only be realized and understood." Baba says, "I am your true Khuda Dost, who has come to give you happiness, to liberate you from sorrow. The number one enemy of Bharat is Ravan. This is why they make an effigy every year of the 10-headed Ravan and burn it." Now Baba is starting the story of True Narayan. Baba says, "I gave you the kingdom of the world. There used to be the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan. Now I have come to establish that kingdom again. Brahma and Saraswati will become the Lakshmi and Narayan by making effort. They become the emperor and empress of the golden age. There was a rise of Bharat there. You all were viceless. There is neither body consciousness nor anger or lust. In the golden age, they are viceless. Children there are born through the power of yoga. The five vices do not exist there. This is why they never burn Ravan there. I am giving it back to you once again. I make Bharat into heaven through Brahma, Saraswati and the Brahmins." Baba says, "It is said that those who have a lot of wealth and huge palaces etc. are in heaven." The father explains, although someone may have millions, he does not have peace, and all that money etc. is going to turn to dust. Baba says, when you have become ready, all the souls that are now up there will come down here, and everything will then come to an end. Then you will go and rule in the new world. You will enter the cycle number wise. Baba says there will be a very few human beings in the golden age. The capital will be Delhi, where there will also be the kingdom of the Lakshmi and Narayan. Delhi was the land of angels in the golden age. Baba says, "Remember me, your father, and you will change from Tamar Pradhan and become Sato Pradhan. You will then come to me. You will become a garland around my neck, and then become a garland around the neck of Vishnu." Baba says the Father is the sun of knowledge. When the sun of knowledge rises, the darkness of ignorance is dispelled. You now have the knowledge of the beginning, the middle, and the end of the world in your intellect. Baba says the Father explained to you so well that your fortune awakens. The Father comes to awaken the fortune of all human beings. Baba says everyone will cry out in distress and be destroyed. This is why Baba says claim some inheritance from the unlimited Father before the cries of distress begin. Whatever you see in this world will be finished. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be seated on the heart throne and be Bab Dada's helpers by adopting a crown and a tilak. I repeat, may you be seated on the heart throne and be Bab Dada's helpers by adopting a crown and a tilak. When someone is seated on a throne, a tilak and crown are the signs of that. Similarly, those who are seated on the heart throne always have a tilak of the soul consciousness stage visibly sparkling on their forehead. It can be seen from afar. The good wishes of the benevolence for all souls is visible in their eyes and on their faces. Their every thought, word and action are equal to those of the Father. The slogan of today's Murli is that to make your sanskar easy for easy remembrance, imbibe the virtues of easiness. Om Shanti.